Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I soak my fruits to make my Christmas rum cake or black cake, whatever you call it. And of course, you're going to be using whatever fruits you like. I'm going to be using some dates, some mixed peel, I have raisins, and I have some cherries. I also going to be using some tutti frutti. If you're going to be using dates, make sure it says pitted. You can use cake wine, port wine, or red label wine, whatever wine you choose to use. I'm going to be using brown rum. You can also use white rum. I'm just going to go in with my fruits. Then I'm going to pour that whole entire bottle of rum over it. And then I'm going to top it off with cake wine. Now, you can soak your fruits for months or even years, but just keep checking on it as they will become soft and mushy and start to absorb the liquid. From time to time, you will have to just top it up. But anyways, I am going to blend this up. You're going to blend it as fine as you want. You can use a food processor or a blender. I'm using a blender for this. Some people like their fruits a little bit chunky. I like mine nice and smooth. I don't want to be biting on chunks of fruits when I'm eating my cake. And the amount of fruits you use depends on how heavy you like your fruit cake or how light. Now, if you like a dense fruit cake like myself, now this will make a nice 9-inch cake. I'm just gonna cover this up and put it away until I'm ready to make my cake. And that's all. Thanks for watching.